How to download Binance app for iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download the Binance app for your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your app store. After you open up your app store, head over to your search bar and search for Binance. After you search for Binance, you will see the Binance Bitcoin and crypto. Open this up and this is the app that you want to download. Now Binance is the world's largest crypto asset market for trading volume, as it says right here. And yeah, you can just invest in cryptos and you can sell and buy, you can trade crypto, and yeah, that is basically what Binance does. So to download this, tap on the install button right here and it should start installing. And after you do that, after it completes installing, you can create an account and use Binance as you want to. And yeah, that is basically all for this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye, take care.